Lathhouse, Bird Eye, United States. The architectural context of Sagaponack is a dense labyrinth of modernism, contemporary refinement, historicism, and rural farmland. Lathhouse is a regionally inspired home, conceptually influenced by the local agricultural history, combined with contemporary programming, modernism covering sustainable building system and materials, and reverence for vernacular form. Lathhouse reflects a purposeful agrarian context, much like a barn in its pastoral setting. The residence, a two-story gable structure, is oriented east-west, facing overlooking a spacious left to the south. The sloping topography, coupled with the minimalism pool house, defines the lower level, pool and tennis court. The pool house mediates between the pool and tennis court activities. The perimeter is defined by a continuous privet hedge and anchored by mature decision trees. The architecture of Lathhouse is conceptually inspired by the eponymous Lathhouse, a traditional gabled farm structure made primarily of wood, glass, or slats spaces to reduce sunlight while permitting ventilation. This wood detail is also found most notably in court crypts, drying barns, and livestock shelters. At Lathhouse, the main residence is clad in remaining compositions of slates over the north and south walls and roof. The slates are both contextual and purposeful, remaining as siding that functions to provide privacy screening, to limit exterior light emittance and use as also shading. The skirting extends over windows and skyline on the north facade for privacy and on the south function as a solar shading screen. The detail also wraps to each bedroom windows, creating instead Juliet balconies. The upper south wall slabs and at a large second floor overhang, the dome that defines the indoor-outdoor experience. Operable glass walls open to a large stone terrace of the living room, and the kitchen opens to a wood-slated, pergola-covered porch. The pool house emulates the contemporary pergola, operable glass walls, and rain-screen details of the house. The single exterior materials of weathered wood cladding reflects a timeless patina reminiscent of the barns and outbuilding in rural landscape. The siding is reclaimed from the sides of coral board fencing. The represented wood electricity-based geothermal heating and cooling, closet called uh, polyurethane insulations, mechanical fresh air system, and insulating height efficiently window all contribute to the efficiency of the design and sustainability of the house. Water collections is sought a consolid gutter and downspout system and disposite enjoy to mitigate erosions. All lighting is LED. The project program consists of a garage, mudroom, guest suites, living, dining, kitchen, principal bedroom suites, laundry, and linen storage. The lower level contains a guest suites, gym, wine storage, TV room, bunk space, and mechanicals. The pool house structure supports a changing room, bathroom, lounge area, and the open pergola sitting space. The interior finishes and the furnishing of the house are inspired by the light and shadow play of the slats over the wall and roof glass. The clean design, aesthetic, scale, and detail of bespoke furniture pieces and custom designed cabinetry reflect a depth of craft congruent with the architecture experience.